Hello students, in this video we will continue with the chapter integers. Today we will learn about the properties of addition and subtraction of integers. Let's continue the chapter. Before I start the topic, please subscribe my channel and do share to your friends also. Yes, today we will learn about the addition of integers. First we will learn about the properties of addition. To know more about their properties, first of all we have to learn about the operations of additions. First of all we will learn how to add the integers of same sign. If two integers are of same sign, then we have to add the both integers. Our operation will be addition. And what will be the sign of the result? That will be positive. If both are negative integers, then also we have to add, but the sign would be negative. Next is addition of integers of opposite signs, of different sign. Means if one integer is positive and other is negative, then what we have to do? Then operation would be negative. Negative means subtraction. We have to subtract the numbers. What would be the sign then? Sign would be of greater integer. Which one of the both integer is greater, that will be the sign. Next we will learn about the properties of the addition of integers. The first property is closure property. According to this property, if we add any two integers, we will get integer as an answer. Means if we are adding two integers, the result would be also an integer. I am taking example of 2 and plus minus 3. Means I am adding 2 and minus 3. Result would be minus 1, and minus 1 is an integer. Next property is commutative property. According to commutative property, we will add two integers in any order. If we add, then the result would be the same. Means if we change the order of two integers for adding, then the result will be same in both cases. The property is a plus b is equal to b plus a. Means we are changing the order of numbers a and b. I am taking an example, 2 plus minus 1, and again changing the order minus 1 plus 2. In left hand side the result is 1, in right hand side result is also 1. So it means if we change the order of the numbers for adding, then it would not be affect our result. Next property is associative property. In associative property we will take three integers. For this also we will change the order of addition, then the result would not be affected. I am taking an example of numbers minus 1, 2 and 3. First of all I am adding 2 and 3, then minus 1 will be added in the left hand side. By adding 2 and 3 I am getting 5, then I will add 5 to minus 1 and result is 4. Similarly I am solving right hand side. Here I am adding minus 1 and 2 first. Later on I will add 3 to it. By adding minus 1 and 2, I am getting 1 with positive sign. Then I will add 3 to it. The result is 4, which is equal to the left hand side. Means if we change the order of 3 numbers for addition, the result wouldn't be affected. This property is known as associative property. Next, fourth one property of addition is additive identity. Additive identity means what should be added to the number to get the same number. So I am taking A. So which number should be added to A to get again A? The number is 0. So 0 is called the additive identity of number A or integer. Next property is fifth one, additive inverse. What do you mean by additive inverse? Means what should be added to number to get 0? Means what should we add to A to get 0? It will be opposite sign of the number. If we are taking 5, the additive inverse of 5 is minus 5, because by adding minus 5 to 5 we will get 0. So next are the properties of subtraction of integers. The first property is closure property. In this property again we will take two integers and we will subtract those. If we get again an integer, this means subtraction also hold the property of closure. I will take an example to show you. See, I am taking 2 and 3. By subtracting I am getting minus 1. Minus 1 again is an integer. So subtraction also hold property of closure. Next is commutative property. Commutative property is not held by the integer in case of subtraction. I am taking an example to prove you. I am taking 5 and 2. If we change the order of 2 and 5 for subtraction, the result wouldn't be same. In first left hand side case, the result is positive 3 as 5 is greater. In the right side there is minus 3 because negative of 5 is greater. So results are not same. It means commutative property doesn't hold in subtraction for integer. Next is associative property. It also doesn't hold for the subtraction. I am taking an example. I am taking three numbers, minus 1 and minus 1 and minus 2. Instead of minus 1 I am using minus 3. At the right side I am changing the order of subtraction. First of all I will subtract minus 3 and 2. First I am solving left hand side. Minus 1 plus 3 in bracket, then minus 2 in bracket. I solved, it is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. At right side I am solving bracket and it is minus 5. Minus minus would be plus, so right side is 4, which is not equal to left hand side. It means associative property doesn't hold for subtraction in integers. Next is additive identity. additive identity also doesn't hold in subtraction, as we will not get the same answer of a minus 0 and 0 minus a. Next are some examples or sums from the exercise. First is solve the sums, find the value. We will check the sign of both. Both are positive, so we will add. Answer is 47 and of positive sign. Next one is positive, other is negative, so we will subtract these. It is giving 1, as 18 is greater, so sign would be minus, as 18 is of minus sign. In next sum also signs are of opposite sign, so we will subtract. Answer is 4 and 25 is greater, so sign would be minus. In next sum both are of negative sign, means we will add. By adding we will get 19, but sign would be minus. Next is minus 85 minus and minus 10. Minus minus will be multiplied, then result will be plus 10. So one is positive and other is negative, so we will subtract these. Answer will be minus 75, as 85 is greater than 10, so sign will be of minus. Next minus, we will multiply minus to minus 27, it will give 27 with positive sign. Both will be added now because both are of same sign, so result will be 72 with positive sign. Next is solve the following. For this we will find out numbers of same sign. We will get minus 3 and minus 8. By adding both we will get 11 with minus sign. Second number is plus 7. Both are of opposite sign, so we will subtract it. Result will be minus 4, as 11 is of greater sign. In this, first of all we will solve the brackets. Minus will be multiplied with minus, it will give plus 1 and minus 4. Then we will collect the integers of same sign. 2 and 4 of same sign, means we will get minus 6. We will add 2 plus 1. The result will be 5, as minus 6 and 1 are of opposite sign and sign will be of the greater number 6, means minus 5 is the answer. Next is find the value of. Here more than 3 numbers are given. Among these, first we'll solve the brackets. Minus minus will be plus 5, then plus 12, minus 8, plus minus is minus 3. Then we will collect the integers of same sign. 15 plus 5 plus 12, then minus 8 and minus 3. We will add first 3 numbers of same sign. This is 32 with positive sign. Then we will add the numbers of same sign of minus, means minus 11 we will get. If one is of plus and other is of minus sign, then we will subtract these. The result is 19 with positive sign, as 32 is greater. Sorry, 29 is the answer. 21. Next one is minus 32, minus in bracket minus 11, then plus in bracket is minus 25, plus 27, minus 13, and plus in bracket is minus 7. First of all we will solve the brackets. It's minus 32. Next is wait a minute. Yes, minus 32. Then minus will be multiplied with minus. It will gives us plus 11. Plus multiplied with minus gives us minus, so it is minus 25. Next is plus 27, minus 13, plus into minus is minus 7. Now I will collect all the integers of same sign. I am collecting integers of negative sign. First number is minus 32, then minus 25. Next one is minus 13, and the last one is minus 7. I will keep these in brackets. Now I will collect integers of positive sign, 11 and 27. I'll keep these into another bracket. Now I'm adding integers of negative sign. By adding, I get 77 of minus sign. Next I will add integers of positive sign. I'm getting by adding 38 with positive sign. Now I have two integers of different sign. If signs are different means we have to subtract those. After subtracting, I'm getting 39. The sign would be minus as 77 is greater than 38. Next are the fill-ups. Fill-ups using properties of addition and subtractions. First one is associative property. For this we have to find out which number is missing at the right side. The number minus 7 is missing in the right side. And second one is commutative property. So which number, in this the order is changed. So 25 should be at the right side in the blank. In third one also commutative property, we have to see which number is missing in the left and which is missing at the right. So 15 is missing in the left side and 20 is missing at the right side. Fourth one is again commutative property. Minus 12 is missing at the right side. Fifth one is associative property. We will continue with the sums in the next video. So please share my channel and subscribe it so that you can see next videos and more sums.